What do you get when you bring purpose-built analytics and AI insights to your entire sales and revenue cycle? Maximum Revenue Intelligence. Brought to you by Sales Cloud 360 and powered by CRM Analytics and Einstein. Say goodbye to spreadsheets and manual tracking. Gain visibility into the health of your business fast. Track forecast changes, gap to quota, and pipe coverage based on real-time data, all without leaving your CRM. Managers no longer need to dig through reports to troubleshoot gaps. Know where to focus, whether it's opportunities that need your team's attention or top opportunities that could be moved to commit. And quickly uncover winning trends across top reps, accounts, and more to drive change at scale. Diving deeper, reps and managers can quickly spot risks with one consolidated, up-to-date view of their pipeline and prioritize deals that are most likely to close this quarter with help from Einstein, your AI assistant. Watch this. Clicking on the Insight icon reveals even more AI-driven insights, including activity metrics and relevant call transcript snippets from Einstein Conversation Insights, our conversational intelligence solution. Even better, with Pipeline Inspection Flow, easily visualize how your pipeline has changed over time for opportunities closing in any given quarter for any team member, allowing you to prepare for forecast calls with real-time visibility into the metrics that affect your number, so you can make immediate updates like pulling deals forward with just a few clicks. Finally, augment every sales rep's workflow with predictive and prescriptive insights to close deals faster with confidence. Tailor any insight and dashboard to your business's unique needs, combining external data with Salesforce data to understand propensity to buy, white space opportunities, and take action from the point of insight. Now your entire sales organization can drive predictable revenue with Revenue Intelligence.